Hello, everybody. It's your good friend Jack here, and I'm back again with another video. Only this time it's a Wax Weekly video. So it is Friday. Happy Friday. NFTopia is kicking off today. It's a metaverse convention that's happening on Wax. We're getting straight into it. A lot happened this week. There was loads of drops, from Smill, Psycho Dino Art, Oxia Origin, which is the big one I want to talk about today. Like I said, NFTopia kicks off. We had Pixel Tycoon, Senior Lupe. There's just so much going on. Cosmic Clash, Futures Relic, all noteworthy projects. Check them out if you haven't already. If you took part in any of those drops, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear how they went. We've had a busy week here at Wax School. We are looking specifically at Oxia Origin today, so I'm going to cover that off quickly. But like I said, these videos are now Wax Weekly videos. If any projects are interested in getting promoted on the channel, please do drop me a message. It's something that I'm always interested in doing, is helping out the community. And to everyone who's part of the community who's watched these videos previously, I know I was doing Wax Daily videos. Thank you for the support. Really appreciate it. And yeah, we're going to keep going, only Wax Weekly, and maybe some looking at some projects more in depthly. So, like I said, if we check out Atomic Hub, we can see that, Pixel Tycoons, that was yesterday. Drawn Company has a couple of drops today as well, maybe associated with the Karen Burger drops that have been happening. Um, let's have a look at, if we just click Atomic Hub and see what's happening over the last 7 days on the Wax blockchain to see what projects are more popular or what has been happening that's the most popular. We have the Funko collection for Stranger Things that's doing at about 50K. That's pretty decent. I'd say a lot of people are buying and selling the redeemables, the NFTs that are linked to digital collectible, but the Funko vinyl figures. Alien Worlds, as usual, is up there. A couple more Funkos and Wombat Dungeon Master as well. Okay, so over the last 7 days, there's no real new projects that are standing out. There was probably a few good PFP drops there recently that were trending, like Wax Bull Swag Club, and I think there was another one, the Ducking Fuzz. Um, maybe the Wax 8 Brave Club as well would have been up there with their latest banana drop. But we're on here today to look at Axia Origin. Oh yeah, I just wanted to cover what they're actually dropping. Back up we go. Back up we go. A little bit of an upgrade with the microphone as well, so I hope the sound quality is a hell of a lot better. So, Oxia Origin, they're doing their key drop. This is happening tomorrow. It's a free to play open world third person shooter with strategic and community based elements. They have an atomic key, which gives you private beta access, some Oxy OXYZ rewards, and you can cash in for Atomic Avatar Pack as well. Alpha Key is very similar, only you cash it in for crafting resources rather than that Atomic Avatar Pack. The trailer is looking pretty good. The drop happens in, like I said, 22 hours, and there's the two different things that I just discussed. If we head on over to the website for a quick look, you can register. I don't know if it's integrated with Waxcloud Wallet. It looks like if you have a MetaMask or a Coinbase, you'll have to sign up with that wallet, but still pretty cool nonetheless. Most crypto enthusiasts will have a couple of different wallets anyway. Yeah, so Road to Genesis, free to play open world game in which players can explore the Oxia Origin universe, interact with the environment, complete quests, and play different game modes where they will try to survive in the rogue dungeons as they uncover the story's secrets and collect rewards along the way. Whoop, hand blocking the camera there, sorry. Bit of a downgrade on the camera. My current camera is giving me a bit of hassle. My microphone has obviously been upgraded, and then all of a sudden my camera goes. But hey, what can you do? Can't win them all every day. These look like a couple of the different planets you can interact with. Cryo, Snowy Cryo's mountain range is the home of mineral rich caves and the forgotten laboratories. Interesting, interesting. Dangling some lore in there. Some avatars. We have Valbara, Niflheim, and Anukie. I hope I said all them right. Juggernauts on the battlefield and protected by an indestructible armor. Nymphs annihilate their enemies and friends alike due to their derailed moral compass. Ooh. different game assets, weapons. I mean, there's a lot going on with this game. It looks pretty comprehensive, playable, a lot of partners, including the likes of Alpine, Atari, Coinbase, Unreal Engine. The team is all there as well. What more could you want out of a project, I suppose? Looks pretty trustworthy. Definitely something I'm interested in featuring more on the channel of, maybe me playing it. That's something I'm trying to do as well, is just upgrade to a full gaming PC hardware so I can actually play these games while recording videos as well. But listen, I'm going to keep this one short and sweet on Friday. Thanks everyone for watching. And like I said, if you don't follow the channel already and you're seeing this video for the first time, give us a follow. Trying to work it up, get some subscribers, get some views up as well, just to help the whole ecosystem out, the wax ecosystem, the wax blockchain. So yeah, thank you for all the support so far. I hope you've enjoyed the videos. And yeah, wax on everyone. We'll talk soon.